Well, in her hand, she's got the whole world in her hands.
Hey, Chloe, why are you grumpy?
Blind, huh?
No, I'm filming.
Oh, right.
Lift her up a little bit, tiny little bit. Chloe, why are you grumpy? Oh, Clemmy. Maybe she'd... Oh, did you like the taste of Daddy's jumper?
Oh. Oops. Hey,
Probably got a little bit of trapped there, that's all.
Oh, you're brilliant, Trippinkus. And you're wearing your Sunday best.
Oh yes, Sunday best.
Yes, nice and dapper.
Dapper down.
Now smile.
Ding!
Ding!
Chloe's our very own little piglet.
Oh no, you're not a piglet, are you?
Tippy tappy her back, Snug.
You'll be looking at these pictures one day. Pushing one out.
Tippy tappy her, so get her upright. She likes that. Oh yes.
That
God, look how she's holding her head.
Fuck a doodle do, I've just whacked my knee. My shin.
That special design table. What did you say?
You can't say it on my knee, my shin really hurt.
Okay, let me
Sorry,
stop
Chloe.
recording.